Hello everyone. In our last video, we spoke about second representative value, that is mode. In this video, we'll talk about another representative value, median. We saw what was the need for mean and what was the need for mode. Same way, we'll also find out what is the need for median. Now let's take one example. So these are the scores of a player in last 9 innings. If we want to find mean, we know mean is equal to sum of the scores divided by total number of innings. Now here, if I do the sum comes to 270 and number of innings are 9 and hence the mean is 30. If you observe carefully, there is only one score which is 113 that is greater than the mean. Rest all the scores are smaller than the mean. So then how is mean a representative value of this data set? It is not. What has happened is 113, which is far away than all the other scores, has ensured that the mean has shifted to right. And these values which are far away from the other data set values are called as outliers. And outliers cause the mean to shift either towards right or towards left. So in this situation, mean is certainly not a representative value of this data set. Now what to do? The median comes to our help in such situations. Now what is median? A median is middle value. So now the middle value is 17. So is the median 17? No. Middle value when the data is ordered. So what we need to do is first order the data. So let me order the data. So data is ordered in ascending order. Now what is the middle value? So how do we know the middle position? If the data has odd number of values, then we add 1 to it and divide by 2 to get the middle position. So in this case, we have 9 values which is odd. We add 1 and divide by 2. So that is 10 divided by 2, which gives us 5. And hence 5 is the middle position. So let's find the value at the middle position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so 21 is the value at the middle position. And hence, in this case, our median is equal to 21. Now, if you see the scores are around 21. If you see 20, 21, 22, 23, 18, so they are very close to 21. So yes, 21 is a representative value of this data set. So the key point to remember is median is middle value when data is ordered. And how to find middle value? We first find the middle position by adding 1 to number of data values and then divided by 2. We get the middle position and then we count it and we find the middle position. Let's do one example to firm up our understanding of median. So we surveyed the data about number of letters in the first name of 11 students and we got these values. So this is the data about number of letters in the first name of 11 student and we want to find the median. Step 1. Order the data. So we have ordered the data. Now step 2 is find what is the middle position. So the number of data values we have are 11. So 11 plus 1 divided by 2. So middle position is equal to 12 divided by 2, that is equal to 6. So sixth value is our middle position. And finally, step 3, find the middle value. So median is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the sixth value is 5. So our median is 5. I'm sure you would love to watch our other videos on data handling. Do watch these videos, leave us comments, and do not forget to subscribe the channel so that you can get notifications whenever we upload more videos. Till then, goodbye.